Hello everyone! Welcome to another video of this amazing series. Welcome to another video at Data Snacks. Well, I would like to start from the beginning. What we did. Until now, we will focus it on concepts related with APIs and Kafka, including creating a producer. Today, we will shift our focus to working with data requested by the API, moving this data using Kafka. Additionally, we will review key concepts such as event, producer, consumer, and topics. We are going to start using the same project you can access in the repository, in the branch solution ingest. But what are the subjects today? We're talking about a little bit about the producer. We are going to deal with the most common scenario in Kafka, where one component, fetcher, fetch data and send it to another component, producer, for further processing or storage by publishing it to a Kafka topic. The next one, we are reviewing the Kafka, how does Kafka work in a nutshell, where we have an event which record the fact that something happened. For example, we have this event here. We have the key value, and that's the timestamp. Alice made a payment of 200 to Bob and a date, a timestamp, complete timestamp. An event is a record of this occurrence and detection of phenomenon of interest, typically interesting and change in the state of system or notification of something sort. In that case, we are in a clear event and we have a notification from Alice, and that's it. The second topic is the producer. The producer publish an event to Kafka. The producer is an entity who publish information to Kafka topics. The third part is the consumer. The consumer is an entity that subscribes to topics and process the stream of event produced to them. Well, we are amazing. The last but not least, the fourth topic is a topic. A topic is a category of feed name to which record are published. Topics in Kafka are always multi-subscriber. That is, topic can have zero, one, or many consumer that subscribe to data writing to it. But we need to move forward with the thing we need to do in our demo. We move to improvements. We have a few things to improve our development. The first thing related with bugs. We deal with bugs and we need to fix them. We need to use logger instead of print and the correct indentation, use timer, and take action with environmental variables. The idea is improve a project and we have a few things to solve and fix. The idea is first manage the improvement number one, logs versus prints, because we have different things, different approach. The main advantage of using logger, the logger library over print statement is to achieve greater control, flexibility, and maintainability of our code. We have a small project like this, but if you have this small project, we may not be as noticeable adopting this logging approach, but the idea is can prepare you for real production scenarios. You could take printing your code, but the idea is move through this new scenario. For that reason, we have the control and configuration, and we have the idea to log information through files. We have a level of severity. We could decide if you have an activity related with an error, a worm, debug information. Well, we have different levels of severity. We have different formatting, and the idea is maintaining the code more professional. The number two is the environmental variables. In fact, we have several reasons to implement it. But the first thing I would like to recommend you is the way to manage your configuration management, the portability, and the scalability. But the most important thing is the security. The next topic is Kafka UI. Kafka UI is a way to see the message through the user interface uh, with the high level of accessibility. And the idea is use this open source tool developed by Proventus. And if you have curiosity about this topic, let us know in the comments below because we could create new videos related with this specific tool. Please let us know. And well, let's do it. Let's make our plan in the code. Remember, you need to start from the branch solution ingest. We need to move to the next stage. Well, here we are. We open the Coinbase project. We start working on the modification of that specific project. We start working with the Coinbase feature. For that reason, we create another branch using the solution ingest we use as a template. We start from this specific file. We have the terminal. We have the code. Excellent. Well, here we are. We need to create some kind of improvements. The key thing here, we need to solve a few things. After that, we need to improve our code. And for that reason, we are working with the problems. We have a problem here. We underline our code because we need to import JSON because this dumps start with the library JSON. Another thing, we need to change the print using the logger. For that reason, we import logger. Logger it's a library, sorry, login, who include give us the opportunity to develop logs, a log file with all the information in place. And for that reason, we need to create a logger. The logger equal to logging dot get logger. We need to put the name of the app here. And after that, we configure our login with our logger. For that, we need to put the basic configuration. Then first parameter is file name. We need to put the file name here. Example.long log. After that, the encoding, UTF -8. Excellent. Another thing, it's the level of this level. In that particular case, we don't need all the information, only the information. And with that configuration, we start with changing our first login print using logger. Logger.info, put our definition of info here. Excellent. Well, After that, we need to change this print because it's an info too. And another thing is that, but this is an error, and we need to put the error uh, method here. Well, we improve our code using logging. We solve a few things. We need to solve another thing. It's the tab and delete this comment. What is the main purpose of that? Well, we need to send to the producer this specific topic, and we have the comment code here. This is the only thing. And the other, it's the time we ident this time because we need to spend 10 seconds to execute again our code. This is the main purpose. We with the old code we have the this 10 seconds. Now nothing, never this time sleep 10 execute because we are outside the while. Excellent. We have here this execute uh, this this process, put the information inside our Coinbase topic, and sleep the process 10 seconds and start again. Excellent. We are in the right path. Excellent. Well, here we are. But we have a lot of things hard coded. The idea is pick this information, uh, taking the environment files values. And for that reason, we have here the environmental variables who populate with these values. We paste here because we have the intention to import OS to take the OS dot get m to take the information from the environmental variables. We have the idea to get the same name of the variables. This other topic is this other value is for if we don't put our environmental variables. The way to skip that is put default value. Well, we are okay. We need to follow with the next two variables. We need to change here too. Yes, we are here, here, and yep, we finish with that. We need to put the other one here. This is a strategy. We put the same name in the variable in this uh, process. We're using the same name of the variable of the environmental variable inside our code. It's a strategy. Only that. We need to replace the booster observer with this default value. The topic we need to replace here, and we need the Coinbase API. The idea of that is try to put all the information in one specific place. The environment, the m.m file. Excellent. Well, we need to execute our code, docker compose app -d. Excellent. Our code is executed. And after that, we need to review the logs here. We don't need have anything, but we could more example dot log. And after that, we have the information here. We have the information who the Coinbase fetcher sent to our example log. We need to run again, only to check if we have everything in place. Excellent. We have another values side here, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Excellent. The value of the Bitcoin are low. Uh, is the is reduced by 10 seconds and 10 seconds and 10 seconds. We have the different values inside each time. Well, excellent. We have the first steps developed, but well, we need to check if we have the information uh, in our Kafka. For that reason, we have the intention to include a Kafka UI. Kafka UI it's a service who is published in a web interface. For that reason, we have the code here. We need to include a new service inside our Coinbase and depend of Kafka because we need to wait to start the execution of Coinbase API after Kafka are working in the proper way. Excellent. We need to save everything and execute again. We need to compose down and to to stop everything. We need to wait a few seconds. Stopping everything. Excellent. Toggle compose up. Everything is created and executed. We need to wait to everything. Well, uh, in my case, Kafka UI are I execute this process before and uh, don't download the didn't download the image in my computer. I have the image in my cache computer. For the reason don't appear in that place. Don't appear all the layers downloaded in my machine. This process works well. We need to move to localhost 8080. This our interface. We need to configure our cluster. We need to configure. We need to put localhost Kafka 9092. Excellent. We need to validate. It's valid. Submit. Excellent. We need to wait. We have a Coinbase topic. One topic. We need to wait if we have messages. Excellent. We have the messages here. If we submit, we need to wait 10 seconds because every 10 seconds, well, we have a new message. This is a new message. We have a different value of uh, the stock share of Bitcoin inside our machine. Well, we have the information to recap. We have the code to pick the information from I yeah, we are here. We have the code who pick the information from this URL, put in data, send to the producer, and after that we check using the log and using the Kafka UI. Well, I'm happy to amazing folks. Amazing demo. Well, I would like to encourage you to comment, share your ideas, ask questions, and collaborate because at Data Snack, each player counts. Get ready for an exciting journey with Data Snacks. Stay tuned for more insights, challenges, and innovation. Until next time, stay curious and keep snacking on knowledge. Bye bye, I see you.